And today we're going to go over a topic that has a lot of people just in confusion. Is it very important? Is it an important issue that they should know about? And here it is. Yes, it is. This one's going to be called the impact of late payments on your credit report. Now, it's super important that you're understanding of this topic, that late payments have a huge impact on whether your credit score is going to go up or whether it's going to go down. You may not be aware, but late payments are one of the most important items that is going to affect your credit score altogether. There's a lot of items that affect your credit score, a lot of issues, a lot of topics, but one of the most important is the late payment aspects, because it truly tells the creditor a lot about who you are in your habit about paying back what you've contracted with. So timely payments are one of the most crucial, and it's one of the most crucial elements of good management in the credit industry. Having payments are going to be a huge factor in your credit reporting. Paying your bills on time demonstrates responsible financial behavior and significantly impacts your credit score. Here's what you need to know about the impact of late payments on your credit. So number one, this is how late payments affect your credit score. Payment history is the most significant factor in influencing your credit score. It's accountable about up to 35% of the total impact of your credit. Not even one single late payment can have a negative impact on your credit score. So it's super important to know that having late payments is going to negatively affect your report, but having on-time payments significantly helps impact your credit report. So two things, it can affect either way, for the good or for the bad, and it's super important. Now, the number two item about your timely payments is going to be reporting a credit reporting timeline. Credit bureaus typically report late payments once they are 30 days late or more. A payment that is 30, 60, 90 days late will have a huge impact and severely bring down your credit score. So you need to know that you don't want to be 30 days late. You definitely don't want to be 60 days late. And you specifically don't ever want to be 90 days late. These will have a huge impact on your credit score and bring down your credit score and ruin your credit reporting. And it's extremely difficult to get these off your record once you have these late payments accumulated on your credit report. Now, the number three item that is crucial to your on late payment topic is the severity of late payments. So the more recent and severe the late payment. So the more recent late payments you have, it's going to be more severe. The more significant its impact on your credit score. So once you understand that if you have any late payments currently or recently, and then you try to go get a loan from someone, it's going to pull up on the report and it's going to have a negative impact on the creditor on whether they want to give you a loan or not. So a recent late payment is going to be crucial. And a recent late payment can lower your score more than something that has occurred in the past. So if you have like an old payment in the past, yeah, that's going to hurt, but a more recent one is going to be a huge impact on your opportunity to get a loan, refinance a car, maybe get a mortgage, or start a business. You don't want any late payments that are currently on your report. And the number four is the magnitude of late payments. If you accidentally miss a payment, here's what you should do. Contact the creditor immediately and make the payment as soon as possible. Some creditors may be willing to give you a little bit of grace on that late payment and not report it to the bureau because of your communication with them. And this will be like a goodwill gesture in an isolated incident. Now, if this happens all the time, they may not work with you, but if it's just once in a while, or maybe just one time you accidentally happen to have a late payment, you can call the creditor and then you can tell them that this was just an accident, as a one-time situation. They may give you some mercy, take the payment, and then maybe not report it to bureau. But that may or may not happen. But if you're commonly not having late payments and one happens, I would call them right away and ask them if they can just settle with the payment and not report it to the bureau. If you ignore it, then it doesn't look good on your side, doesn't look good. And so they're going to report it to the bureau 30 days late, 60 days late, 90 days late, and it stays on your report for 2 years. Late payments stay on your credit report for 2 years. And when you try to go get a loan for whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, like I said, a home loan, a car loan, starting a business, or just getting a construction loan or some type of personal loan, they're going to show up. These late payments are going to show up, and it's not going to look good because that's your report. It's almost like your credit report. It's going to look bad on your situation, and it may not be. Um, the creditor may not be willing to give you a loan because of these late payments that you've had. So maintaining a consistent track record of on-time payments is essential. Make the payment, at least the minimum payment. That's what you want to do because it'll show a history of your payments, that you can make payments, whether even if they're minimum, it's okay. Make a payment. And this is going to be essential for building and preserving a positive credit history. Make it a habit to pay your bills promptly, and consider setting up reminders, or even yet, a lot of credit card companies, or a lot of even mortgage companies, almost every company has a automatic auto pay. Set up an auto pay where it automatically takes at least the minimum amount of the payment required, so that a payment gets presented as good standing on your report. You don't want late payments, because late payments will have a negative effect overall, and they're going to stay on your report for 2 years. And if you have a constant list of a whole bunch of late payments, or no, late payments are going to be on for 7 years. I'm sorry, late payments will be on your report for 7 years. Inquiries are 2 years. Late payments are 7 years, and they will be on there for a long time. And if you think they're going to go away after a year or two, they are not going to go away. This is your credit report. It's almost like a report card at school. It's going to be on your report for a long time. So late payments are definitely not what you want to have on your report. So if you do have late payments on your report, if you do have some collections charge-offs or hard inquiries, or some negative items that are on your report that you're very well aware of, you can contact us at summitbeacon.com. You can schedule an appointment. I do personal consultations with my clients, and we can get you going on a good path to good credit. We can fix your credit. It can be repaired just like an automobile. You can take it to the mechanic, they can fix it. You can bring it to us, we can fix your credit report, and then we can help you get back on track to a good path to good credit, and that you will be confident to go and get the loan that you need, whether it be for your auto, home mortgage, starting a business, personal loan, a construction loan, whatever it may be. You do not want to get denied, and you do not want to have to go through this whole situation all over again, and you have all these bad inquiries on your report, and it'd be difficult for you to get a loan. So contact us. We help people maintain good credit. We help people clean up their credit. And thank you for watching this live video. Thank you for tuning in. If you're watching this on Instagram, please follow. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe. And I appreciate your time. Thank you.